Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best luxury Swiss automatic men's watch available on Amazon right now, the Marvin automatic watch with Swiss movement. If you're on the hunt for timeless elegance, mechanical craftsmanship, and performance, this might just be your perfect wrist companion. Let's begin with the heart of this timepiece, the movement. Powered by a Swiss automatic mechanical movement, this Marvin watch is not only stylish but also precise and self-winding. No batteries here. It winds itself using the motion of your wrist, a hallmark of traditional luxury watchmaking. You're getting the sophistication of Swiss engineering, the global gold standard in horology, at a surprisingly accessible price point. The watch features a beautifully sculpted stainless steel band that exudes class and durability. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a formal dinner, the sleek brushed metal complements every look. It's robust, polished, and designed for long-term wear. On the dial, you're greeted with scratch-resistant sapphire crystal glass, a premium material found only in high-end watches. This ensures your timepiece remains free from nicks and blemishes, even after years of daily use. Sapphire glass also offers exceptional clarity, making the dial easy to read in all lighting conditions. Speaking of readability, the luminous drawing hands and hour markers glow subtly in low light. It's a small detail that goes a long way in usability and style. Day or night, your Marvin automatic watch is always ready to make a statement. Now let's talk about design. The dial is sleek, balanced, and distinctly masculine. It captures the mechanical soul of the watch, merging classic aesthetics with modern watchmaking. It's not flashy, but it doesn't go unnoticed either, a quiet nod to understated luxury. And for those who lead an active lifestyle, you will be pleased to know this watch is water resistant up to 50 meters. Whether you're caught in the rain or washing your hands, you can keep it on without worry. It's not built for deep diving, but for everyday scenarios, it's got you covered. In terms of sizing, the watch offers a comfortable fit for most wrists. The stainless steel bracelet has a solid clasp, offering both security and ease of use. It's built to last, yet easy to maintain. Let's be honest, finding a genuine Swiss movement watch with sapphire glass, luminous markers, and a full stainless steel body at this price is rare. The Marvin automatic watch delivers value, style, and reliability in one package. If you're a professional looking to elevate your wrist game without dropping thousands, or a watch enthusiast wanting to add a dependable Swiss piece to your collection, this is for you. It's luxury that's wearable, elegant but tough, and timeless in every sense of the word. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more honest takes on today's top products. See you in the next one.